How you can install Waka TV on your laptop. In this video, I'll show exactly how you can do it. So, let's get started. First, we need to install an Android emulator on your laptop. This helps us run Android apps like Waka TV. Go to your web browser and search for BlueStacks. Click on the official BlueStacks website and download the installer. Once it's downloaded, open the file and follow the steps to install BlueStacks on your laptop. Now, open BlueStacks. It might take a little time to start up the first time. Once it's ready, you'll see a screen that looks like a tablet or phone. This is your Android emulator. Next, we need to get the Waka TV app. Open the browser inside BlueStacks and go to the Waka TV website. Find the download link for the Waka TV APK file and click on it. The download should start automatically. Once it's done, open the APK file to install Waka TV inside BlueStacks. After the installation, you'll see the Waka TV icon on your BlueStacks home screen. Click on it to open the app. You might need to sign in or create a new account. Follow the instructions on the screen to do that. And that's it. That's how you can install Waka TV on your laptop.